How to find Gmail account by phone number. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Gmail account by phone number. If you would like to find your Gmail account by phone number, then you will need to first open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Google Chrome. Once in the browser, in the search bar, type in myaccount.google.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter key of your keyboard to search for it. And within a while, you will be taken to your Google account page. Here ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will be able to see the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on it and here click on this add another account option. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here, select this use another account option. And here, you just simply need to enter your phone number here, or you may also click on this forgot email option. Once you click on it, now you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Enter your phone number, make sure to enter it correctly. Once after entering your phone number, click on the next button at the bottom right. And here you will need to enter your first and last name linked to your account. And then click on the next button at the bottom right. Now Google will prompt to send you a verification code in your phone number. Click on this send button in order to receive the code. Now you will need to wait for the code, and once you get that code, you will need to enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, now click on this next button right at the bottom, and then Google will verify the code. After verification of your identity, you will be able to see the Gmail account associated with that phone number. Now you can simply click on the Google account that has been recovered. Simply click on it and sign into your account. This method is effective for recovering your own account or verifying someone else's identity if you have their permission. So by following these steps, you should be able to find a Gmail account using your phone number. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.